What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over Vechain, currently sitting at 0.041, down 6% on the day. Seeing a market cap 3.38 billion, 24 volume 89 million. So if we look at the chart, we did end up rolling over. So that's a wave B. And you're looking to come down in the wave C. So you would expect for your wick to be broken, and we do have support sitting at 0.0347. As you can see right here, quite a few bounces in that range, in between about 0.034 to about 0.0368. So complete the wave C in a 5-wave move, and then see continuation back to the upside. Let's see if we zoom in a little bit here. Yeah, you could look at 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a bit of a deeper 5 before continuation back to the upside, as a wave C is 5 waves, and bounce off that support and see continuation and complete that wave 4 of a leading diagonal. As you can see, the wave 4 broke into the wave 1, so it has to be a 3-wave leading diagonal before pushing up in the wave 5. We'll have to see how that plays out. To invalidate that, you have to come all the way down and break the wave 2 low at 0.01921. So if we zoom out to the weekly chart, we're just coming back to retest the 20. So we want to hold this support zone here, see about 0.032 up to about 0.037, and then see the bounce back to the upside, hold those weekly EMAs as we've already printed the bullish cross, and then see continuation back to the upside. That's what we're looking at for Vechain. We're currently in multiple trades. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds and sign up to Bitfinex. Right now, for my subscribers, if you put $1,000 into your futures account, get a $200 trading bonus. However, that is not necessary to get access to my private group. Just take that 30 seconds to sign up to Bitfinex. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals. We just hit 2 of our take profits on our last 2 trades, as well as one of our members is giving trade signals all day long. All you have to do is take that 30 seconds to sign up to Bitfinex and then send me an email. You also get access to what I'm invested in and when I'm taking profits. Heavily worth it, in my opinion. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.